Okay, so here is a quick tutorial on how to set up your landing page so that when someone subscribes, they get your free book. I'm not going to focus on actually designing the landing page. That'll be for another tutorial. So I'm here on the home page of Kit. I'm going to go over here, create a new landing page, click on that. Let's just go with the very first template they have. So let's say that I'm done with designing my landing page. I'm going to go up to settings, and you can see here there's several options that I can put in. We're going to put in redirect to an external page. And before I'm done here, one thing that I recommend is if you go over to incentive, you have an option right here about auto confirming new subscribers. What this means is that they don't get an email to confirm that they want to be a part of the newsletter. Now there's pros and cons to having both options. For your campaign, since you're really focused on getting subscribers, I would suggest you click on that. You don't have to, but I would recommend it. Now, if we go back to the general, we can see we have our link. Let's hit save. Now let's go take a look at our landing page. And let's put in an email here. We'll go with this one. Hit subscribe. And there it redirects to the page. And I've put the link in both spots where they can download their book. I also say, hey, thank you. And I suggest just sharing why they want to receive your newsletter so they don't just get your book and unsubscribe. So there you have it. That's the tutorial on setting up a landing page that will give people your downloadable book after they subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.